I'm Sai Krishna. I'm from Karimnagar, Telangana. I'm 22 years old right now. I was very curious from my childhood. If I had a small car or something like that, I used to open, I used to see how this works. Started becoming curious about everything. That if something is working, I just want to know how it works. After my 12th, I thought of becoming a lawyer first. So I applied for CLAT. I did some intense learning and all, but still I was not able to get the top college which I wanted to be. I didn't have that much interest in college education. It never sounded practical to me. I couldn't see that much of hope in college education because even if you see the number of graduates getting graduated every year from especially from engineering, and they getting placed for a good package is very less. Coding was never, I never gave a thought for coding. I thought coding is not something like my kind of way to do. But tech was there. I was very much interested in tech. When I was in my first semester of my BTech, I learned C programming. So over there, we had a good faculty for that. He encouraged me to code. He has seen some kind of capability in me that you can do better in coding. Even I didn't took it that seriously that time, but when I got to know in this lockdown that my sister is learning coding and she's making websites and all, then that's when I fascinated about coding. When I was in my 7th semester, my sister, my cousin Lakshmi has joined in Masai. I got to know about Masai that okay, this is a place where we can upskill ourselves, learn coding, learn some tech stacks, and we can also get a job from it. Then I asked her how much should we pay? She said nothing. You don't need to pay anything. Only if you get placed, then only you need to pay. So that's when I thought, okay, this is really cool that someone is not even expecting a penny from you, even if they're only expecting something if you're successful. Sometimes there are days where I started somewhere around 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and I went for 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, it's just because of the interest. From module 2, I started helping people like my peers. Then I got that interest that okay, I can help people with their errors and all. So then I had that in my mind. So when they rolled out about the IE application, so that's when I decided, okay, I can be able to do this job, and I can also learn a bit more, and I can be very strong in all my basics and all. So that's the reason why I joined Masa, as an IA in Masa. Whatever we have gone through so far is very intense, and then I got to know from my friends who have been in computer science background for more than 4 or 5 years, and I was way more ahead of them with this 30 weeks of training. So I just said them I'm learning some coding stuff and all. So they asked me what are you learning and all. So I said I'm learning this. I said I learned Java, I learned Android, I learned Kotlin. Most of them were in a shock that I was learning these things and I was able to do. And they asked me some small questions regarding Java, Kotlin, and Android. So I just answered them in within a quick answer, and I asked them back few questions, but they were not able to respond back properly to me. So that's when I thought, okay, so that actually gave me confidence that joining Masai has helped me a lot, that even I'm way more ahead of students who are with computer science background. I never realized how much of everything detail is going in the back end. As when I was a student, I was not having that much of seriousness that because this organization is having a very much discipline inside it, even with not just with students, but also the employees are very disciplined. Then once I become an IA, then I realized how much disciplined I was and how much more disciplined I should be. Yeah, I would give you the message with discipline and the right amount of grit you're showing, everything is possible in life, and career hai, compromise nahi.